Automated capsule filling is a key production procedure in the pharmaceutical, health supplement, and functional food industries. In the pharmaceutical industry, it is used for the precise filling of pharmaceutical capsules. In recent years, with the increasing demands from downstream industries for standardized product quality and improved production efficiency, pharmaceutical factories possess comprehensive portfolios of digital solutions, covering equipment maintenance, advanced manufacturing management, operator training, and more. Using digital monitoring and interaction systems to track equipment status, production processes, and equipment malfunctions offers new opportunities for highly customized support services. This project is an ideal capsule filling machine for nutrition and health products, designed specifically for the pharmaceutical and healthcare industries. Its fully automated production reduces costs and increases efficiency, enhancing the goal of intelligent manufacturing and digital standardization. The entire solution is ideal for increasing production capacity and reducing unit dosage costs. In this application case, Taicenn shares the same modular design and manufacturing concept as its customer, providing high-precision and flexible metering processes for pharmaceutical capsule filling application. According to the solution requirements, Taicenn offers our modular designed and manufactured touch panel PCT PCDC T156 HD2 model. It is a widescreen 15.6-inch FHD ruggedized, flat designed with best industrial features mainboard. That's to provide the powerful performance and reliable HMI touch panel solution for pharmaceutical applications. This PCAP touch panel PC model is powered by Intel's 12th Gen Alder Lake Platform Core i5-1235U processor.